Hello everyone, it's Harry Maxwell. Today we'll be unboxing the 1TX 1RX DJI mic. I'm recording on my Sony ZVE10, which you'll be seeing right here, and the audio you hear during this unboxing is from that. So, getting on with it, here's what it's looking like inside the box. Putting that off to the side, you can see we get a nice, cool little carry bag here. Unzipping that. Here we have the transmitter by the look of it, and the receiver, along with some cables, which we'll see first. So these are some adapters by the looks to smartphones. Some of these cables, and here most likely will be adapters for cameras, and tucked in there also is a little windscreen. So, moving on to the transmitter and receiver. First, let's get the receiver. It's nice and snug in here, and I must say the bag is definitely nice and small. So this is your little receiver here. You can see the little mic on top, and it comes with this really strong magnet on here, which is really good for making sure that you've got it clipped on tight for those interview scenarios or when you're using the mic. So putting that down there. Get out the receiver. It's also tucked in there nice and snug. So this is the receiver. Actually has, oh no, never mind, it doesn't have. I thought there was a little seal on there, but really nice design, same as the transmitter. But yeah, loving this bag. So if we pop everything down here, this is what you're getting inside the box. So the range, so this is the transmitting range. So if you have your camera somewhere, this is the audio that is gonna come back to the receiver. That is 250 meters. Now I have seen and heard that in some instances it can go further, so maybe it calls for a later range test. I'll let you all decide in the comments. Anyway, I'm loving the modern look again of this microphone and receiver. Very sleek. So that's what you get in the box. Let's see if this kit comes with any juice and compare this audio straight to the ZVE10's onboard microphone. Let's go. So the DJI mic, or the transmitter and receiver, both had a little bit of battery on them, and this is honestly just powering both of the units on, having them connected. I've got the cord plugging into the receiver straight into the microphone port of the ZVE10. So how's it sounding? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Again, I haven't changed any settings. The manual is also in the box, which I didn't show you, but I haven't read much of that, all but how to connect the hot shoe, which I have found out how to, and that's on the ZVE10 at the moment, which is definitely handy. So how's this sounding? And let's compare to the onboard audio of the ZVE10. So standing at about the same distance, this is the onboard mic of the ZVE10. It's got the little windscreen sort of dead cat on there, so I don't know if that's going to be helping in this situation, but standing at the same difference, how's it sounding? I found the microphone on this camera to be pretty reliable, but how's it comparing to the DJI mic? So, which one is better? The DJI mic or the Sony ZVE10's onboard microphone? For me, it's too early to say. I have had the ZVE10 for a while, but the DJI mic is really new to me. At the moment, I am really liking the DJI mic and see myself using it for the foreseeable future. But time will tell, so I hope to see you in my next video, and who knows, maybe you'll see the DJI mic there. Bye everyone.